Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about quadratic equation. I have here find the solution set for number 1, x squared plus 10x plus 9. So take note, the operation is addition. So I need to factor out this x squared. I have x times x, then 9 will be 9 times 1. So since the operation is addition, so it should be all factors will be plus. So I need to write here x, this one also x, and then 9, and then 1. To check this one, to check the middle term, positive 10x, just multiply this one, 9x, and then this one. So this will be x. So 9 plus 1, this is understood 1, so this will be positive 10x. So these factors are correct. But we need to find the solution set. So I have here x plus 9 is equal to 0. And then the other is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Solving for x, this will be 0. Transpose positive 9 to the right, this will be minus 9. So x will be equal to negative 9. Then how about this one? The same. X is equal to 0. Positive 1 transpose to the right. This will be minus 1. X will be negative 1. So therefore, the solution set is negative 9 and negative 1. So you can check this one by using this negative 9 and negative 1. Substitute the value of x in the given equation. So I will give you one checking only for number 1. So x squared plus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. When x is equals to negative 9. So this will be negative 9 square plus 10 times negative 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is 81. Then multiply, this is negative 90 plus 9 is equal to 0. Combine this positive. So this will be 81 plus 9 is 90. Take away 90 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, the solution set is at negative 9 and negative 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2 is x squared minus 12x plus 35 is equal to 0. So take note, the middle term is having a negative or subtraction, and then my last term is having addition or positive sign. So therefore I have 2 negative. So I need to factor this one first. And then 35 will be 7 and 5. So my factors, I have 2 negative or a subtraction. So this will be x, and then this will be x, 7, then 5. So if the middle term is negative and then the last term is positive, so the factors are all negative. So how to check this one? Multiply negative 7x. Then this one, minus 5x. Since these are negative, so factor the common sign, which is negative, and then add the integer, this is 12x. So we come up with the middle term. So therefore, the factors are correct. But we need to find the roots. X minus 7 is equal to 0, and then x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. Transpose to the right, this will be positive 7. So x is equals to 7. This one also equal to 0 plus 5. X equals positive 5. So therefore, the roots or the solution set. The roots are 7 and 5. If you check this one, you can check. I'm sure that these factors are correct, or the roots are 7 and 5. Now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, x squared plus 5x minus 14 is equal to 0. So take note, the second term is having a positive and then the last term is negative. So I need to factor out this one. So x times x. This one will be 7 times 2. So take note, this one is negative. So I have two signs. So this will be plus and minus. Since I know that this is plus 5x, so I want to use this one as positive. So this will be x, 7, and then this is 2. Now let us check if we come up with the middle term, which is positive 5x. This will be 7x. This one is negative 2x. So this will be 5x. So correct. So my factors are x plus 7 and then x minus 2. So find the roots. X plus 7 is equal to 0, and then x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x equals 0 transpose positive 7 to the right, that will be negative 7. So x will be negative 7. So this one also x, then this will be plus because this is minus. Transpose to the right, this will be plus 2. So x equals 2. So therefore, the roots or the solution sets are negative 7 and 2. So that's for number 3. Now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4, x squared minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. So factored out the first term, x times x, then this will be 4 times 3. Since this is negative and then the last term is positive, so this will be all are negative. The factors are all negative. So this will be x, and then this will be 4, this will be 3. Check if the middle term is correct. Negative 4x. And then this one is negative 3x. We didn't come out with the middle term. So we'll find another factors. So let's try 6 and 2. We know that 6 and 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 2 is 12. So try this one. So this will be x. Let's say this is 2 and this is plus 6. Check. Negative 2x. Then this one will be 6x. So this will be positive 4x. So this is wrong. So we will change the sign. Instead of 2, I will use, this will be negative 6, and then this will be 2. Check, let us check this one, negative 6. 6x, this one is positive 2x. So this is negative 4x. So we come up with x minus 6 and x plus 2 is equals to 0. So my first root, then this will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then this will be x equals 0 plus 6. Transpose to the right plus 6. This will be x equals 6. this one will be x equals 0. Transpose to the right, this will be minus 2. X is equals to negative 2. So therefore, the roots or the solution sets are 6 and negative 2. That's number 4. Now let's proceed to number 5. Okay, number 5, I have here 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 0. So factor out this one. This will be 2x times 2x. How about 1? Of course, 1 times 1. So since the middle term is negative and then the last term is positive, so take note, we have two negative signs for the factors. Negative, negative. So I will put 2x. This will be 2x. Then minus 1, minus 1. Let us check if we come up with negative 4x. So this will be negative 2x. Then this one will be negative 2x. So same sign. Copy the sign, common sign. So add the integers. 2 plus 2 is 4x. So we come up with negative 4x. So my factors are correct. 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So this will be 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This will be 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Solving for x, this will be 0. Transpose plus 1. So this will be 2x equals 1. Then divide 2 both sides. So cross out, x will be equal to 1 over 2. I think the same. So this will be 2x equals 0. Then transpose plus 1. So 2x equals 1. Then divide by 2 both sides. Cross out 2. X will be equal to 1 over 2. So therefore, the roots are 1 over 2. So I will say twice. My answer twice. Half is twice. So that's number 5. That's all for my part 1.